Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for INJ. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. We can also go ahead and plot our swing low, where we notice multiple reactions to the same key level. We also notice a monthly double bottom pattern here, where price comes down, hit, reverse, and breaks out. And we also get a retest of the neckline here. Now, hopping into the weekly. What can we notice? We see a key level right here, where price comes up, hit, reverses, and we notice multiple reactions around the same key level, acting as resistance. Now we also notice a key level here with multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Let's go ahead and plot a key level here where we see multiple reactions acting as support, and resistance. Now, as price is coming up, we expect to see a reaction from this key level right here. And we also see this key level right here. Right around here, we see the key level acting as support. And here, support. And now we see the same key level acting as resistance. So, if we see the candle body close above this key level, we could expect further continuation to the next key level. Now, looking at more recent price action, we notice a clear support level here where price held twice as price comes up. Now we also notice a key level here where price breaks through, pulls back, and then reverses. And as it comes up, we see a long wick reacting around the same key level. And we see here, which is obvious to spot, as price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame for INJ. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.